I went out and I bought this Autel Automotive Intelligence computer reader for your car. It wasn't that expensive, it was $39. It's an OBD2 code reader. So it'll read your codes on your car's computer and tells you what's up, you know, what you got, what you don't have. And it's supposed to also be able to reset it. So I got tired of going to the station and bothering my buddies to use theirs. So I went out, I bought this, and we're going to try it out. I got to open this thing up. Not going to be easy. These packages are just like nightmares. Comes with a manual, uses manual, and this is good on OBD2 and CAN code reader. AutoLink AL319 is the model. Comes with a disc. It's in Spanish, it's in English. I'm gonna hook it up into the plug and see what I get. Alright, look at that, she's plugged in. It says ready test. It's linking to vehicle right now. Now, I don't know if I'm going to post a video, but I did some work on the catalytic converter. I replaced the flex on it the other day, and I started the car without hooking up the oxygen sensor. So it gave me a code on the computer. Still linking the vehicle. I had to start the car up. All right, read codes. Let's look at stored codes. P137, O2 sensor circuit low. Voltage bank 1, sensor 2. Yep, that's probably what it was. Alright, let's try to erase the codes. Let's see. Will it finally erase the codes? There you go. It's gone. All the codes have been erased. I'm going to go ahead and read what we got for codes. No pending codes. And stored codes. No code stored. Awesome. Ain't not bad for 39 bucks, man. AutoLink, the AL319. The thing's freaking phenomenal. And it's erased. It works great. It'll allow you to read your codes on your OBD2 and your computer, and it'll let you erase them after your work's done. So, 2 thumbs up for the AutoLink AL319. There's a lot more stuff on here that I can't explain to you right now because I don't know about, but it gives you like live data and stuff off the computer as far as what's going on with your engine. So, not bad. I like it. Hey, take care. Hope you enjoyed the video or the review. Hope it was helpful. You guys are thinking of buying something that might help you. 39 bucks. You got something that'll test your codes, give you the codes on the computer, reset them, and a live computer information too. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.